طيب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Welcome everybody to a new lesson, which is general statements about numbers. If you remember, in grade 5, we have studied something like this. We have learned some statements related to numbers and some facts that are associated with the adding and subtracting, adding, multiplying, and what? And generally adding and multiplying the numbers, odd and even numbers. If you remember this is today we are going to repeat this lesson again. So let's get started with the first statement. Okay. Here is a question. What do we get when we add more than two even numbers? If you look here, we have 2, 4, and 6. All of them are even numbers, right? So what is gonna happen when we add them all together? 2 plus 4 is going to be 6, which is also an even number. 6 plus 6 is 12, which is also an even number. So even number plus even number would give us an even number also as well. So we can come up to the statement which says the sum of two or more even numbers is an even number. Always is an even number. So here is the statement. Okay, you can clearly see it. The sum of two or more even numbers is an even number. Okay, so this is like a general statement about adding two or more even numbers. Okay. طيب. Please write after me, but you guys, you don't need to draw the boxes. Just write the numbers and write the statement quickly. 2 minutes to finish this. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Wait, no problem with this. طيب, let me repeat this. I've said that whenever we add even numbers, we know that even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. When we count in steps of 2, or the multiples of 2 always give us the even numbers. So I've said that when we add them all together, 2 plus 4 plus 6, these are all even numbers. So we are going to get an even number as well. So the statement says the sum. What does it mean? The sum means plus. Sum means plus. The sum of two or more even numbers is an even number. Is that clear? Okay, because one of you asked me to repeat. طيب. Sohaib, not clear? Sohaib, not clear? Okay, last time to repeat. Yes, right in the notebook. You don't need to write these or to draw the shapes. Just follow the numbers and write the statement. Okay, Suhaib, the 2, 4, and 6 are all even numbers, okay? Then whenever you add them, you also will get an even number in the answer, okay? Right. Let me, oops, what is this? Let me go to the second statement. Okay, guys, follow me. What if we have odd numbers and we add them all together? Muhammad Ali asking, but if we have odd number and even number. Okay, we'll come to this. Should we write? Yes, right, Leon. Okay, Muhammad, we are going to come to your question, but you need to follow me step by step. So, what do we get when we have an odd group to add them? An odd groups of odd numbers. For example, we have 1, we have 3, we have 5. All these numbers are odd numbers. So whenever we add them, okay. Yes. How many numbers we are adding now? How many numbers? 2, 3, or 4? We are adding 3 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay. 3 numbers we are adding. The 3 is odd, right? Okay. But if we add only 2, 1 and 3, okay, if we add them, they are 2, right? Even. So when we add 2 odd numbers, which is even, the group is even, right? The group of 2 odd numbers is even number. Okay, let me explain it clearly. Wait. Okay, guys. 1 plus 3. Guys, the 1 is odd and the 3 is odd. But the answer is going to be 4, which is what? Even. Why? Because we have 2 numbers to add them. Okay? Our group is 2. This is 1, this is 2. So an even number, adding a group of even numbers or odd numbers is going to give us an even number. But if our group, like in this case, this is all one group, right? The 3 numbers we are adding considered as one group. So how many numbers in this group? 1, 2, 3. And the 3 is odd. So this is going to give us odd number, which is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. So 1 plus 3 is 4, which is even. And even plus odd is what? Even plus odd is odd. Muhannad, we are talking about, don't be late, please, again, and next time don't be late. We are talking about the general statements of numbers, okay, about numbers. Here we are saying that, okay, let me copy the statement so then we can explain based on this. Oh my God. Okay, this is the statement. The sum of an odd group of odd numbers is an odd number, okay? So sum, sum is plus of an odd group. What does it mean, odd group? The group that has odd numbers. For example, here we have this group, okay? We want to add this group. How many numbers in this group? We have 3, which is odd group, okay? So the sum of odd numbers the group should have odd numbers, okay, to get an odd number as an answer, okay. Okay, guys, let me open the mic for you. I want to hear from you directly. Guys, do you understand this rule? Did you understand
Yes,
it?
teacher, I didn't.
Muhanna
Yes,
didn't?
teacher, I
Yes,
didn't
teacher.
understand the first.
No.
I
Yes.
didn't.
You didn't.
I
Okay.
understand. Yes, I understood all.
Okay, for those who didn't understand,
Teacher,
yes.
teacher, I didn't understand the first question. No, I understand.
The first one.
I understand, teacher.
Okay.
Understand.
Okay, I'll
Yes,
repeat. I'll
I
repeat.
didn't understand the first question.
Okay.
Teacher, we understand.
Okay. Listen. What is this? Listen, guys. The first time, we have added even numbers, okay, 2, 4, and 6, and the answer was an even number. But this time we are adding odd numbers, 1 and 3 and 5. Do you see here? Oops. Sorry. Noor cannot hear. It's not from me. Others can hear. طيب. Okay. I've said that we are now adding odd numbers, 1, 3, and 5. All of them are odd numbers. Okay. So if we add only two odd numbers, okay, the 2 is even or odd? The 2 is even, right? So this and this would make a group of 2 odd an even group of odd numbers, right? So this is going to be even. But if we add another odd number to the 2, this is going to be an odd group of odd numbers. So our group now is 3 numbers of odd numbers. So the sum of an odd group of odd numbers is an odd number. That's why we came up to the answer 9, which is odd, because we have added 3 odd numbers. But if we add only 2, we're not going to have or to get an odd number in the answer. This is going to be, for example, 1 plus 3 equals 4, which is even. I'm not talking to you, Azraf, sorry. I want to talk to everyone publicly. In the chat, I'm talking to everyone who don't hear me. Okay, ignore it. طيب. Any question regarding to this? Guys, do you hear me? Guys, are you hearing me? Open your mic and talk.
Yes, teacher, now it's
Teacher, yes, now it's good.
Rumaisa cannot hear me, and I think
Teacher, I can't hear you.
When you were teaching that time it was lagging.
it was lagging. What about now? Is it okay? Everyone, do you hear me?
Sometimes the voice is coming like cracked. Like I think it's some Wi-Fi issues.
I'm not sure. My Wi-Fi I think is okay, but if the
Teacher, me also.
Yes.
Sometimes the phone will come like that.
maybe my my mic. Okay, let me change the earphones and come back.
Okay. Yes. But teacher, actually, there is nothing wrong.
What about now? Sohaib, you hear me?
Now it's good.
It's good. It's lagging. Okay, what's the problem? Wait.